Good morning, children. An army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members in a parade. The two groups are to march in the same number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? So here what we have to find out applications of HCF only. So what is the maximum number of the column in which they can march is the question. That means we should find a HCF of 616 and a 32. Now listen, here Euclid division lemma only we are studying. Euclid division lemma has to deal with the two types of things. So one is a HCF, another one is a properties of the number. HCF is we have already calculated by Euclid division algorithm, and some properties of the numbers also we have done. Now some application of HCF we are doing, that is in terms of a word problem. So here what is the maximum number only? That means we should find a HCF of 616 and 32. According to the question, what we have to find a HCF of 616 and 32. So either we can go for Euclid division algorithm also, or otherwise we can go for division method. Here nothing is mentioned by Euclid division lemma and all, so normal division method we can go. So 616 is greater than 32. So our dividend is 616. So by division method, so it will go 19 times, that is 608 will come, and 8 is the remainder. Again next dividend is 32, so it will go 4 times, the remainder we got as a 0. So last divisor is HCF, or we can say HCF. Therefore HCF of 616, 32 equal to 8. So maximum number of columns. What is the answer? Maximum number of columns in which they can march equal to find the largest number that will divide 398, 436 and 542, leaving the remainders 7, 11 and 15 respectively. So we need the numbers of HCF, or which numbers after subtracting the remainders. So we should write that the required numbers are required number means HCF of the numbers, which are they? 398 minus 7 equal to 391, 436 minus 11 equal to 425, 542 minus 15. So HCF the numbers are 391, 425 and 527, right? So the HCF of the following numbers means 391, 425, 527 only. Now first what we have to do, we have to find the HCF of 391 and 425. So which is the greater number? 425. So 425 is the dividend for us now. So 425 to be divided with the 391. So one time, 34 is the balance. Now 34 will go how many times in 391? Means naturally 34 here one, so 34 will come. 51 means one more time. So 17 is the remainder, 11 times it will go. Now 17 is the remainder means next dividend is 34. It is 2 times. So 34 divided by 34 minus 34 equal to 0. So HCF of 391 comma 425 we got as a 17. Now what is the next step? One more number is there, which is that number 527. So along with this HCF, that is 17, and we can use for 527, right? So in the next step is 527 and 17 HCF of. So among these two, which is the greater number? 527 is the greater number. So 17 is the divisor. So how many times? 17, 52 is there, so 3 times 51, balance 1, 17. In 17 how many times? 1 time. So the remainder is 0. So HCF of 527 comma 17 equal to 17. Therefore what we can write? All the three numbers. HCF of 391, 425 and 527 equal to 17. Therefore the required number equal to 17. Three sets of English, Hindi and Maths books have to be stacked in such a way that all the books are stored topic wise and the height of each stack is same. The number of English books is 96, Hindi books is 240, and the number of Maths book is 336. So assuming that the same number of thickness, what we can write? Find the number of the stacks of the English, Hindi, Maths book. The thickness is same, we have to be stacked in the same way only, height is same. So here we have to pack a maximum number of books only in one stack. So that means we should find a HCF only. Here also we have to find the largest number only. That divides 96, 240, 336. That means that is HCF of 96, 240 and 336. So first we'll go HCF of 96 and 20. Which is the greater number? 240. Okay, division method we can go. That is 240 to be divided with the 96. How many times it will go? 96 will go 2 times. 192 and the remainder is 48. So the next dividend is 96 2 times. So the last divisor So HCF of 96 comma 240 equal to 48. So first step is over. Now what is the next step? Next, this 48 and 336 to be considered. Step 2, HCF of 48 comma 336. There will be 7 times. Say it's a 56 balance 1, balance 5. 7 is a 56 balance 5. 7 3 is a balance 5. 7 4 is a 28, plus 5 33. So the remainder is 0. The last divisor. Equal to 48. So therefore HCF of 96, 240 and 336 equal to 48. So there must be 48 books in one stack. But the question is not completed. What is the question? Number of stacks for separate languages, isn't it? Number of stacks, we have number of stacks of English, number of books is 96. Now in each stack how many books we got? 48. So 2 stacks for English to be made. Next, number of stacks Hindi. Two 48 by 48, it is equal to 5. One more is remaining, which is that a max. Number of stacks for max. Total books is equal to 336 divided by 48. If you think it is 7 stacks. So respectively the number of stacks for English equal to 2, Hindi equal to 5, then max equal to 7. In a seminar, number of participants in Hindi, English and mathematics are 60, 84, 108 respectively. Find the minimum number of rooms. In each room, minimum number of rooms, but each room same number of participants are to be seen. Number of rooms will be minimum, but in each room we should accommodate the maximum number of people. So according to the question, we should find a HCF of the numbers. HCF, according to the question, we have to find HCF of which numbers? 60, 84, 108. Means what it shows, each number we have to, each room we have to fill with the maximum number of people, right? So 60, 84, 108. So which is the greater number? First we will go for 60 and 84. 84 is a greater than 60. So we will go for the division now. 24 will come. 60 is the next dividend. sheet. Okay. So how many times? 2 times 48, 12, 24. That means 2 times. Last division. Right. Next still one more number is there, which is that one 108. Next step, HCF of 12 and 108. So as usual, 108 is greater number 12. So 108 and 12 here 9 times 0. So what is the last divisor now? Last divisor equal to 12, or HCF equal to 12. Now the question comes, a number of rooms. Number of rooms means we need a total number of participants. Sixty, 84 plus 108, that means 252. Okay, now number of rooms, we have to calculate it. Number of rooms required equal to 252 divided by 12. So 21 rooms. Can two numbers have 18 as their HCF and 380 as their HCF? Justify the answer. Listen, when we are telling that 18 is their HCF and 380 is the LCM, we know that HCF is the factor of LCM only. Here, if you check that one, that is 380 and 80. Let us check that 380 is divisible by 80 only. 80. How many times? 8 2s are 36 and 20 balance. So 1 will come. The remainder is there. Remainder also there. See, I'll go for like this. Anybody's having doubt means 18 to 36 balance to 21 18 again 2 balance, right? So 18 is not a factor of LCM. We know that HCF is a factor of LCM. But 18 is not a divisor of 380. Therefore, 18 and 380 cannot be HCF and LCM of the numbers. HCF is a factor of LCM only. So, but here it is not possible. So, what is the conclusion we can make with 380 cannot be HCF.